right, so the other item I got from MeSo Customs is the Gasshole. And we're going to just take it off, stick it on here, and... All right, so take the screw off, kind of bend this back. It has a lip, and you just stick this lip on. All right, goes back in. Screw this back on. And there you go. It's on there, it's secure, you can close it, you can open it, and then you get to the gas station. Instead of it dangling like this, scratching your paint up or just being annoying, you can stick it in here. It looks like you kind of want to jam it in there. I did see that, but you can just stick it on there. It stays pretty good. And there it is. And then you're done. Put this back on, and just like that. Pretty awesome. Like I said, it probably should have came from the factory like this, but we got the hookup, so it's easy. If I could do it, you can do it.
All right, everybody. So here I am making a few more adjustments to my Tacoma. A few people had told me when they used to have these, or they currently have them, that they like to take this part off. It's kind of like the little lip down here, so I'm going to take it off. And if you want to take it off, it looks like it's going to be pretty simple. I've never done it, but it looks like there's just a few bolts you take off. I'm assuming they're 10mm like everything else on the Toyota. So I'm gonna take them off real quick, and then I'll let you know what it looks like. All right, so sure enough, that is what it is. Okay. And you're just gonna take all these off. It's hard to do with one hand. All right, I'll do this really fast, and I'll come right back. All right, so the only thing I would say is there is a little hidden one right there. Other than that, so far it's pretty simple. Just I think it's about like 5-6 bolts, and it should come right off. And all right, here's what it looks like with it off. I'm gonna drive on it for a couple of days, see what I think. Really easy. Just what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 maybe screws. And all right, let's see what it looks like with driving down. All right, guys, so this is how it looks a few months later. Tell me what you think. I haven't put it back on, so I'm kind of liking it like this. And I guess I'll keep it off like this. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you like videos where there's almost no knowledge or know-how, then this is the place for you. Maybe give us a subscribe and thumbs up, and have a great day.